Showtime now.
YouTube, you're now experiencing Black Ice Calisthenics. We black. We utilize ice as a form of recovery, and we do calisthenics. And I got my man Cobe from Rise and Rise, the Fitness Academy with me, and we're gonna be doing some pistol squats today. It's leg day.
Let's go. Y'all had this coming, man. Listen, it was already in the phone.
Yeah.
No, we're about to get started.
Yeah.
Ready for a show?
Let's get it.
One leg. All the way back up. Man, you're gonna feel it everywhere. Quad, energy. Necessarily gonna be that advanced to lift that leg up like Show was showing. Hey, this is a variation that you could do at home right here. So if you don't have a bar to handicap your pistol squat, hey, this is a good variation to kind of get you started on that way. All right, so what you can do is it's the same process, you know what I'm saying? Instead of taking that leg and swinging it up, what you do is you take that leg, but your heel can touch the ground, but let it barely tap it, right? So a good way when you're coming down, as soon as you tap it, just come right back up, right? So the easy way to do it is when you feel like a cracker or something on the ground, if you tap it, make sure when you tap the cracker, it does not crush. That's how you know if it crushes, you put too much weight on that ground, right? So you're focusing and concentration on the leg. That's the key. That's how you get that good strength, and that's also how you get the best workout when it comes to the pistol squat, right? So come down slow, tap the heel, low.